Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve sound problem in Windows. So, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with a pretty basic one. First of all, you need to check your speakers and headphone connections and see if the audio cable is loose or connected in the wrong jack. Now, check out the volume levels from audio icon and don't forget to check the volume level of your external speakers. Sometimes the external speakers might be the reason. If you check them, don't forget to check them with other devices also. Now let's move to the next step using Device Manager. Another reason why your Windows PC might be giving you some problem could be related to the driver issue. Make sure that your sound card is working properly and running in the updated driver. For that, just open the Start menu and enter Device Manager and open it. And you will see the list of devices over here. Find out your sound card and open it. And click on the driver tab. Now select the update driver option. Then Windows should able to look into the internet and update the PC with the latest sound driver. If it is failed to do so, you have to find the right drivers from the PC manufacturers' websites. Now, let's move to the next step by using Troubleshooter. As per my recommendation, Troubleshooter should be the first thing you should have done if you encounter any error in the Windows 10. The Windows 10 Troubleshooter works very efficiently. To run the audio troubleshooter in Windows 10, you have to go to Windows 10 settings, then go to Update and Security, then Troubleshooter, and over there you have to choose Playing Audio. If there is any issue with the audio driver or audio connection, it will suggest you the better option for that. If you do not find any error in this, then please move to the next step. Now in this step, we will fix the audio issue by choosing the correct audio playback. To choose the correct audio playback in Windows 10, first of all, you have to go to the Start menu and enter Sound. Over here, you can troubleshoot the different output as well as the input devices of sounds. You can even test the microphones as well as the master volume. It will work same as we have done in the troubleshooter part. It is just an alternative way to do that. You can even test your microphones from here. If you go to the advanced sound option, you will get all the details about your apps and the volume related to it. You can even reset to the Microsoft default settings. Now let's choose the correct audio playback. For that, you have to click on Manage Sound Devices. After clicking on that, you will see the different outputs as well as the input devices that is related to the sound systems. You can even test them or disable them. In this case, I am testing my speakers. If you click on Test, it will give you some sound. If you heard some sound, it means your speaker is working very properly. If it is not, then you have to change your speakers because your speaker has been damaged. You can even disable the speakers from here. I hope this video will help you to fix the sound issue in your Windows. If you have any other suggestions or problem, comment below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.